Hi, my name's Lisa. I'm a corporate chef and I have my own business, Baked in Barrel. Today I'm going to be making some pulled chicken sliders using our QBA milk bun sliders and our praise coleslaw dressing. The first thing we start off with, of course, is our chicken. You're going to coat it with some paprika spice and then you're going to rub it with some oil and some seasoning as well. So the next element of our sliders is our coleslaw. Okay, so we've already got some cabbage and some carrot already julienned up here. We're going to do the same to the onion and add it to our mix. And then toss all ingredients together. Now we're going to mix our praise coleslaw dressing together with our chipotle sauce. So we're just going to pour a bit in, adding our flavour, and then just a bit of a stir. So we're just going to pour this in and just start off with a little bit at a time. Give this a bit of a mix. You can see a little bit goes a long way. I'm just going to start to build my beautiful little buns here. So we've got our QBA milk bun sliders. So I'm just going to hold it nice and gently and just slice it through the middle. Now all the hard work's done, it's really a case of just putting everything together to make a beautiful meal. First thing we do is we put our coleslaw on. Then we're going to top it with our beautiful paprika pulled chicken. And then we're just going to put that little shiny, beautiful lid of our QBA milk bun slider on, and then you're ready to go. There you have it, our pulled chicken sliders using our QBA milk bun sliders and our praise coleslaw dressing.